the video conferencing camera. Now we are going to learn how to operate the stethoscope and handheld camera. You take your mouse and click on the stethoscope icon on the desktop computer on the top monitor. It is labeled stethoscope. Double-click it. A login screen comes up immediately. Your username is ADPH1 through 8. You can use any number between 1 and 8. If a number does not work, use another number. That means it has previously been taken. Your password is password1! This information is on your screen. Remember, cases are sensitive. Now, turn on the stethoscope by pressing the power button on the head of the stethoscope. Once the screen turns on, come to the computer, take your mouse, come to the My Stethoscope drop-down menu, and choose your stethoscope. It will be labeled with your county health department name. And once you click it, the instructions pop up. Follow the instructions and press the M for connect. Press it twice. And the green check mark should appear to indicate that you are connected. Then click Host a Session, and you will then get a session ID. Give the session ID to the distant provider. That allows them to connect with you. The provider will then guide you on how to use the stethoscope for the patient appointment. Once you're done, click Log Out or End Session, click Log Out, and power down the stethoscope by pressing the power button. And exit the screen.